Hell yeah.
Hello. Hello. Jesus. Coming down with something. Alright. There is a logical explanation. I haven't posted a video in a while. I haven't had the time. Mr. Captain Jack came over a couple of days ago and decided, I don't know why, don't know, dipshit teenagers, we decided it might be a good idea to sneak out and take a walk at night. And when we got back, my parents were waiting for us, and shit went down. Really haven't been punished. Surprising. But good. Haven't been punished. Interesting. Not sure if there's one coming, or if they're just blowing it off, because it really wasn't a big deal. We were gone for like 10 minutes. But yeah, that's not what this video's about. I just thought I'd make up an excuse. That's not making it up. I'm not making that up, but just giving an excuse. I don't know. What I'm gonna talk about is, undercover cop cars. They aren't undercover at all. I see them all the time when I'm driving. The 4 frickin' antennas on the top of the damn car and the huge-ass bumper in the front. I'm not sure how that makes it undercover at all. I don't know how they do it. I think a better idea would be to change the model of the car from what they have now to, I don't know, a fucking Ferrari, like in Italy or some shit. I don't know. And get people's attention, or they should like make the antennas not as noticeable, because that shit's like all out there and such. I don't know. I don't know what the hell is wrong with those people. But anyways, I believe I'm gonna play some Happy Wheels fairly quickly here. I have to go get my headset and my mic. Finally using my HD flip cam. Good for me. Good for me. But yeah. See your faces later. And thanks your tits.